Soleil heaters shut off primarily due to built-in safety features, overheat protection, and tip-over switches. Overheat protection activates when the internal temperature exceeds safe limits of 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius, while the tip-over switch shuts the heater off if it tilts beyond 15 to 20 degrees. These are designed to prevent fires and ensure safety. Overheating is often caused by blocked vents. Ensure vents aren't obstructed by dust, furniture, or other items. To fix, unplug the heater, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes, clear the vents, and press the reset button. Regular cleaning helps prevent future occurrences. Also, ensure the room size is adequate for the heater's BTU output. Rooms that are too small cause the unit to overheat quickly. The tip-over switch is usually located at the base of the heater. Ensure the heater is on a flat, stable surface to prevent accidental activation. If the heater tips, right it and press the reset button. Check the surface isn't wobbly or uneven. Consider moving it away from high-traffic areas or pets. The reset button, usually red or orange, is a safety lockout after an overheat or tip-over event. Pressing it restores power. Repeated resets indicate an underlying issue, like poor ventilation or a faulty tip-over switch. Addressing the root cause, not just resetting, is crucial for long-term operation. If the unit requires constant resets, it's best to replace it. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission has issued recalls for Soleil heaters due to faulty tip-over switches and overheating risks. Check Nuair's website or the CPSC website to see if your model is affected. Recalled units are often eligible for free replacements or refunds. Newer models incorporate enhanced sensors and firmware updates. Newer Soleil models include Wi-Fi connectivity and a mobile app for remote diagnostics and forced resets. The app alerts you to potential issues before shutoffs occur and allows adjustments based on room conditions. These smart features improve user satisfaction by reducing unnecessary shutoffs. Check Nuair's website to see if your unit supports the app. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the vents and ensuring proper placement, can extend the heater's lifespan. Avoid using extension cords longer than 6 feet, as they can cause voltage drops and erratic shutoffs. Annual cleaning and inspections are recommended, especially for older units. Be sure to unplug the unit before performing any cleaning. If your Soleil heater continues shutting off despite troubleshooting, it's time to seek professional help. Look for signs of damage like frayed cords or a burning smell. These indicate electrical issues that require professional repair. Electrical fires can start from damaged heaters, so never ignore these warning signs. Units older than 3 years may require a professional inspection to ensure safety. Recurring issues may warrant a replacement, especially if the unit is under recall or has a history of malfunctions. Always check for recalls and warranties to ensure safe, reliable heating.